Hey everyone, Jai Jagannath. I welcome you all to the Power BI tutorials where we will learn to create an interactive dashboard inside Power BI. First, we will import an CSV file type data inside Power BI. Then we will do the data cleaning using an ETL tool. After that, we will start creating our dashboard inside Power BI. Also, we will see the use of DAX formulas in Power BI. Don't worry, these are basic DAX formulas. Now, many questions may arise in our mind that what is Power BI, what is an ETL tool, how to create a dashboard, what is dashboard, blah 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 blah. So let's don't waste more time and directly dive into my screen. Before doing practical, let's clear all our basic doubts. Our first question is, what is Power BI? BI means business intelligence. In my screen, you all can see all the details, so you can pause the video and go through it. But in simple terms, our job inside Power BI is to convert the raw data into a clean format and then create the visuals to get the insights. Power BI is a paid software, but for learning and doing practice, Power BI is free. So our next question is, what is ETL tool? ETL means extract the data from different sources, then transform that data into an organized manner, and after that load the data to get the insights. We will be using Power Query for this, and Power Query is the first component of Power BI. Our next question is, what is DAX formulas? DAX stands for Data Analysis Expressions. In simple words, DAX formula is an explicit function that allows us to create our own calculations. And our last but not the least, what is dashboard? Remember, Excel dashboard and Power BI dashboard are both different. In simple terms, Power BI dashboard is a single page, often called canvas, that is used to tell a story through visuals. And this is all the necessary theory we need to know before doing the practical. But before jumping to Power BI screen, we will see two useful tricks that will enhance our dashboard. Our first trick is color picking from the image or logo. We will get the exact color from the image or logo to be used in our dashboard. And our second trick is creating a background of our own, because in Power BI we cannot create the background, we can only import the image. So now let's begin. This is my PowerPoint screen, and we are going to apply our first trick, that is color picking from our logo or image. So I will go to that slide where my logo is present. Here my logo is present. So for picking the color, we'll draw one shape. You can go to Home tab, or you can also go to Insert tab. Here shapes, I will take this shape, heart shape. I will draw this one, and then shape format tab appears. Then go to shape fill, click this arrow, go to eyedropper tool, and now you can pick color from your logo or image. So I will take this tilak color, and here you can see that the color has been picked from our logo, and this is the exact color which is used in this logo. So to use this color, we'll be using hex code of this color. So to get the hex code, again select the shape, go to shape format, go to shape fill, click on more fill colors, and here you can see that the hex code is present. So we will be copying this, and I will go to Insert tab, text box, and I will click here, and I will press Ctrl V. So this is the hex code of this color, and this color is extracted from our logo, and this is the exact color which is used in our logo. So like this, you can use this color or extract any color in PowerPoint and use in Power BI or in any other platforms. So next trick is creating our gradient background. So for this, I'll click on here new slide. I'll remove all this. I will right click here in the slide, and I will click on format background. Format background panel appears on the right side, and I will hide the background graphics. So now this is solid fill. I will click on gradient fill, and here this is the previous gradient. So we'll make changes. So I'll come here to gradient stops. I'll click here. I'll go to color, and I'll click this little arrow and choose any color. Like I will choose this yellow color first, then I will click here, then I will choose this green color, then I will click here and I will choose this brown color. So as you can see, our gradient is made. So you can do your own customize or adjustment for the look, and this is how the gradient is made in PowerPoint. But to use as a background or image, we will take the screenshot of this. So in Windows 11, the shortcut key for snipping tool. The snipping tool is used to take the screenshot. Press the Windows Shift and S. The snipping tool appears. So now I will select this much area and take the screenshot. The screenshot has been taken. So where you will find the screenshot? Now I will press the Windows E for File Explorer, and then I will go here, Pictures, and here inside Screenshot you can see our screenshot is present. So this is what we have created now, and we will be using this one in our Power BI dashboard. So like this, you can create your own customization gradient background for using in any platforms. So now we will jump to Power BI screen. This is our Power BI screen, and this is what we are going to create. This is an interactive dashboard. I am saying interactive because if I click here in January, then you can observe that all these charts or every visuals are changing. If I again click here in this January, then it's coming to its original state. If I click here in bar column chart, these changes are happening. If I click here in pie chart, the changes are happening. So this is how this is an interactive dashboard, and we are going to create this one. So before going to create this one, let's understand the data and what type of data we are going to work with and what is inside that data. So I'll open my file explorer, and you can see here this data is in .csv format. CSV means comma separated value. If I open first this one in Notepad, then you can observe that here comma is written after every words, and this is why this is comma separated values. And if I open this one in Excel, it will not come as it appeared in Notepad. It will come normally. So first of all, I will adjust all the column width, Alt HOI, and this is our data we are going to work with. I will make the highlight for the title. So in A column, we have transaction ID. This is distinct transaction ID. In B column, day, C column, month, D column, year of the purchase date, E column, mobile model, F column, brand of the mobile, G column, price of that mobile, H column, units sold to the customer who is buying that mobile product, I column, total revenue from that product, J column, customer age, what age group is ordering or taking that product, K column, customer gender, L column, location where the customer lives, M column, payment method, how the customer paid for that bill. So one thing you can observe in K column, in customer gender, female is written and F is also written for female. Male is written and M is also written for male. So we will do this data validation or data cleaning, and we will also concatenate this day, month and year, and everything we will do in Power Query inside Power BI, not in Excel. So we will directly jump now to Power BI, and I will open a new blank report. I'll click on File. I'll click here blank report, and it will take some time to load. Now our blank report has came, but it's still loading. So it came now. Now we will import the data here, that is CSV file. I will go to Home tab and click here this Get Data icon, and here one dialog box appears. I will click this one text or CSV, and I will click here Connect. Then I have my file inside desktop and Power BI folder. I will click this one and open. Then it's connecting. It will take some few seconds. Now the data has arrived. If you don't want any changes in your data or no correction or data cleaning, then you will clicking load. As we have to do changes and do cleaning, we will click here transform data. So after clicking transform data, Power Query Editor mode will open, and here we can edit our data as Power Query is an ETL tool. So first of all, we will go to the gender and we will replace this F to female. So I will right click here and I will go to replace values, and I will type here F, insert value to find, and replace with a female. If I click here OK, then some errors will come. You can observe that female email is coming because it's have also F, and in F also there is F. So female email. So we will not do like this. We will do Control Z, but you can't do Control Z to undo. So you will go here and click this cross to undo the process. So again I will do the right click and I will go to replace values, and I will click here, type here F and replace with female, and I will click here advanced option, and I will check this one, match entire cell contents. So I'll click OK. So now you will see that it's coming properly. So we will do the same thing for male. I'll go replace value, capital M, male, advanced option, match, OK. So this column has done all the corrections. Now we will concatenate this day, month and year. So I will click here in add column tab, custom column, then I will give the column name, that is date, and I will do the concatenation here. I'll select this one, insert, and double semicolon, insert that hyphen, again I will type and, then I will give month, insert, again and, double inverted comma, inside this one hyphen, and I will give year, insert, and I will press OK. After that also it's coming error. So we will rectify this, but why this error is coming, understand that thing. It's coming error because of data type. Here in day, number data type, text data type in month, and number data type in year. So we will convert all this to text format first. So we will undo this one by here clicking this one, and I will click on this 1 2 3, and I will keep this one text, and here also 1 2 3, and I will click it text. So like this you can change the data type. Now again add column, custom column, give your column name, that is date, and I will write that formula and semicolons, month, insert, and semicolon, hyphen, and I give year, insert, and I will click OK. So now it's coming in proper, but here text and number both formats are there. So we'll convert this one to date by clicking here 1 2 3 and ABC. I will click this one date. So it is accurate date format. So this is our date format, and now we don't need this one, these three columns. I will select these three, right click and remove columns. So you can see that that column has been removed. So now we will go to home tab. I will click here, close and apply. After the Power Query corrections, our data is getting loading. So it will take some few seconds. So our data is loaded. Now you can see here all the dates and customer age, everything is coming here. You can expand this one by this arrow. So here we have the date hierarchy, year, month and all things. So now we'll start creating our project. So first of all, we'll do this left side slider and all logo. So I will go to insert, I'll go to save this one rounded tab. I'll go to this format tab and rotate this one to 90 degree, and I will increase its height. I'll close this one for more space, and I will decrease its size. Now we'll go again, save, take this rectangle and decrease its size and keep it here, and we'll change and we'll insert the image, our logo. Go to image, and this is our white logo background. I'll reduce its size, I'll adjust this, let's adjust properly. Now we'll change this color, so I'll go to style, I'll insert fill, we'll give the color which we have from our logo, and this is our logo color, and you can see it's coming properly. Now we'll add the slicer. So here it's the slicer. I'll click this one, and I will add the date, months inside field, and here it's getting loaded. So we'll go to visuals, I'll go to slicer setting, and side slicer setting, layout, it's great. Not in slicer setting. We'll go to call out values, and I'll keep this one to middle. But before that, go here in buttons and layout, I think layout, single column. Okay, go to layout and click a single column and give your maximum button, that is 12. We have 12 months, so 12. And now we will reduce its size and keep it here, increase this size. I will remove the background. Not save. We will go directly to cards, and I will off this fill on this one. Buttons and fill. Okay, I will go to general effects and this one. Yes. Sometimes we also need to be confused and do the explore. So this is what we got. We'll remove the title, and now you can see that it's adjusted properly. And another thing, it's coming here, this pink color like bar. So we'll do here, select this one, go to visuals, buttons, and go to this ascent bar and increase its width to 11. So you can see that it's coming here. So we'll change this color also. Now you can observe that it's coming properly, like how it's here. Now we'll add that mobile image, that is PNG image. I'll click here, I'll increase its size, keep it here, and now we'll add this card. So I'll go to this new card, card new, and what is there? Total revenue and total quantity. So here we will be using DAX formula for calculation. So come here to mobile sales and right click here and click here new measure. So after clicking new measure, formula bar will appear. To increase the size, keep your mouse pointer here, press and hold control and scroll up to increase the size of the formula bar. So I will give the name as total revenue, and we'll use this sum formula. I'll press enter, or you can also press tab, and for total revenue we'll go to here, total revenue, select this one by pressing enter, close the bracket and press enter. So you can see that our here one total revenue came. This calculator symbol indicates that it's a DAX formula, and this summation symbol is implicit function and this is explicit function. And now we will again create a new measure by right clicking, and we will give the name as total quantity. We will give sum, and this time this one units sold, and I will close the bracket. Always remember to close the bracket and then press enter. In Excel, how it's automatically closed by Excel, it will be not happening here. So these two are our DAX formulas because they have calculator symbol. So now I will drag this one here to data, and this total revenue also here. So you can see that our card has made and it's coming properly. So click outside anywhere to disappear that formula bar. So now I can click on card and adjust the size of the card. So we will be keeping here only. So before that we will do some visualization. That is, first go to layout, and here in styles it's card, so change it to table, and then we'll go to general, and inside this effects off the background, and now go to visuals, and here call out values, make it center and decrease its size so that it is fitting the phone properly. And now for labels, increase little bit size and make them bold, and color should be this one, and for this one also we'll keep the white because we are going to change the background. Here white is coming, we'll give this blue. Oh sorry, it's border. So we'll directly go to cards, and inside the cards we have the background, and here we will change this color. Now it's coming properly. Now we will do the rounded corners. This rounded corners we will do. For doing that rounded corners, we have to go to cards only. We will be going to layouts. Inside the layouts, we'll go to save, and we will go to customize corners. We'll on this one and give top left 25, top right 25. You can observe that corners have been made. Now decrease its size so it's now coming properly. We'll copy this one, Control C and Control V. Sorry, it's copied properly, full phone. So we'll select this card only and Control C and Control V. Here you can use Control Z to undo. So now we'll place here, and we can't rotate this one. So we'll again go to visuals and change the layouts and save. Give this one 0, 0, here 25, and this one 25. So you can see that in bottom it's coming the rounded corners. So this is our card is made here. As you can see, both the cards have been made. And now we'll give one partition using line. Go to save, inside insert tab, bring this line, reduce its size, drag here, I'll do Control C and Control V for copying this one same. I'll bring here, and now we'll be doing this donut chart for total revenue by customer gender. So I'll click here the donut chart, by customer gender, I'll click and drag here to legend, and by total quantity, I think total revenue. Okay, for total revenue we will use this DAX formula table, and this is what we are getting. We'll adjust its size, and this is our donut chart prepared. So we will do the customization by going to visual panel. We'll go here and turn off the legend, not legend. We're going to legend at center right. We'll bring to top center, and title we will do up because it's coming that female male. We can categorize that one. We'll go to data labels, and we will show here only the value. So here it's coming only the value. So inside value we will bold that one to see it clearly and increase its size little bit. So here our donut chart is prepared. So we'll go to general effects and remove the background. Why we are removing this background you will know at last. So I'll go here title and I will do this one to middle. Now we'll go give this separation, Control C, Control V. This is what. Now again we are going to do the area chart. For area chart, here is the area chart. I'll click here. Area chart is for total quantity by customer gender. So I will again drag this one to x-axis and total quantity this one to y-axis. So this is our area chart, and now I'll reduce its size to make here align properly. So I'll bring this one little bit down and this one also down and increase its height. Now you can see that it's coming properly. So we will do some customization for this area chart. In we'll give the markers. Markers are these dots present here, and we will show the data labels. These are the data labels. We will increase the value of the data label and make it bold. Now we are going to remove this one. We will go to y-axis and we will disable this value and also the title, because in here it's written and we can find that one. And this one in x-axis also we are going to remove the title. Now it's visible properly. We'll in general we'll go to title and we'll make it center aligned. So now our this phone model is ready, and now we will do the this line chart. So for doing this line chart, I'll go here and this is the line chart. I'll click here, and it is for uh, total revenue by year, quarter, month and day. So I will bring this total revenue to y-axis and date hierarchy to x-axis. So you can see that our line chart has been made. So I will reduce its size and height for other chart, and I will go to format. I'll go to general first. In effects, I'll remove the background. In title, I'll do the bold and do it center aligned. And other thing you can explore here. And now we'll go for the next visual, that is again line chart. This line chart. So I'll again click here the line chart. This one is for total quantity by month. So I'll drag this one to total quantity inside to y-axis and date to x-axis. So I require the month only. So I will remove all this year, then quarter, then days. So it's coming in month only. So I will reduce its size, get perfectly fit. So before that we will give this separation. I will do Control C and Control V. Take this separation only, and I will increase its size. So I will go okay, and again we will take the same line, Control C, Control V, and we will be placing it here. I'll increase this one little bit. Now we'll again bring the line and we'll rotate this one, and here I'll decrease its size, keep it here, Control C, Control V, keep it here. You are getting it, I think. You can do according to your need and your understanding and designing skills. So this is what our line chart is made. Next we are going to make this table. So for this table I will take this one, this table, I will place it here, and in this table we have payment method, total revenue and total count. I will payment method, where is my payment method? Here I will drag it here, total. Now what is that? Total revenue and total count. Total revenue and total count, we will take this one, units sold. I will move this one to count. Total count, not units sold. We will take this one, transaction ID. Where is the transaction ID? This one. This is our total count, and we will do that count distant. So now you can see that it's coming properly. We will decrease little bit this size to do the adjustments. So here it's coming properly now. So you can customize this one by going to visuals and values. You can increase the size like this, keep it as bold, and everything you can do it from this visuals. So next we are going to create a this column chart. For column chart I will take stack columns, not just. Here we have different types of columns. I'll take this one, custard columns. I'll keep here, and what we have inside that column, total revenue by mobile model and customer gender. So we'll give this one as total revenue in x-axis, total revenue inside y-axis by cost, customer, mobile model and customer gender. So we'll give the customer gender inside x-axis, and also we'll give the mobile model inside x-axis. So it will keep this one inside legend. Oh, it's coming something like this one. So this is our top 5, I think. So we'll do the filter here. So we'll go to here, filter. We'll do this top 5 mobile models. Click here, basic filtering to top N, and here we'll give 5. And by value, we'll give, drag this one to here. And now it should come. I think so. Something is. Uh, in x-axis we have to keep the mobile model, and in y-axis the value should be there. That's why total revenue. In legend we will be keeping customer gender, and after that we will apply this filter. Then only it will come. So you can see this one like this. It's coming. Yes. So this is what we have created. So next we are going to create the pie chart. So to create the pie chart, I'll go and click here the pie chart. It will insert automatically with this filter. So now inside the pie chart we have total quantity by payment method. So total quantity will be dragged inside values, and inside legend what that one is total by payment method. Payment method. So you can see that it's coming. So again we can do the same thing by going to visuals, or direct go to home tab, select this one. First this format you want to copy, so click on format painter and click it here. So you can see that what format has been applied in this, it will come this same here. So now our dashboard has been created. So now we will do what? Background. Give the background. So I'll go here visuals. I'll go to canvas background, and inside here there is color. I'll browse the image, select this one. We have inside pictures, screenshot, and this one we have created. And now you can see that image has been applied, but it's not visible because transparency is 100%. So we will decrease the transparency to 3 or 0. And now you can observe one thing, that these visuals have their background. That's why they are coming like this. So we'll remove these backgrounds. I'll click go general, and inside this effect I'll off this background. Inside this one also on this background. Here go to visualizations panel. The here format your visuals inside that general, then go inside effects and then background. You will off this background, and here also do the same thing. Background. We'll adjust this one. If we adjust this one, we have a scroll bar here to see all the values. So now it's interactive. You can adjust, decrease this, increase this one. But do your own adjustment for a proper visual. Increase its size also. Okay. So this is what our dashboard looks like, and we have created successfully a Power BI dashboard which is interactive also. You can observe one thing, that our background image is not fitting properly the canvas. So to fit it properly, we will do one thing. Go to visualization pane, go to canvas background, and here inside image fit, instead of normal, click fit, and you can see that it's fitting properly. One thing I forgot to tell you, that how to import that hex code inside Power BI. So we will change this color. So I'll go to style, and inside here I'll click more colors, and I'll copy this hex code, go back to Power BI, paste it here, and click anywhere outside. Now you can see that the color has been changed. So this is how you can create a interactive dashboard inside Power BI, and this video is getting so much long and you might be bored. So I hope that you have gained so many knowledges together, and I believe you will connect with me for future video and future knowledges. And till then, Have fun. Bye bye. Jai Jagannath. Signing off.